Hi, Landon. I hope you're doing well as we wrap up Q3 tomorrow. I got your edits in your Google slide, but you're still not quite using MLA formatting. So I want to show you how to do it again. Maybe my last video was not clear enough. So when you're citing research, you have to do two things. One, you have to cite your source within your writing. That's called an in-text citation. And how you do that is, if there's an author's name, use their name. So this is 3, Spencer, Bevington, and Brown. So here you can say in the sentence, according to, when you have 3 authors, you do it all. So you could do it like that, or at the end of the sentence in parentheses, you can do it that way. So that's an in-text citation. Okay, so that would be correct there. I know what that one's all about. And then here, use SparkNotes, which you shouldn't really use, but that's fine. So for this one, there's no author, so you would cite the article title, which is Shakespeare and Romeo and Juliet background. So again, you can do either, not both. According to the article, paste it plain. Okay, so you can say the article title like that, or again, at the end of the sentence. And if the whole paragraph is from one source, you only need to cite it one time within your writing. All right, so in-text citation. So not the URL. Again, not the URL. Not sure what that's all about. So you should have an in-text citation there. This one you probably don't need one for because it's just your own ideas. Okay, so in-text citation. And then the other thing you need is a works cited. So you could use Noodle Tools, you could use Center Citation Machine, you could use the Bibliography Net, whatever. Or the easy thing to do, which is what I showed you last time, is Google Docs. Alright, so I take my source, I copy the URL, I go to a Google Doc, I go to Tools, Citations. You should do this. MLA formatting is correct. It's a website. Here's the URL. Let me move my video. To continue, you have to double check. Like, is this correct? If it is, you do add source. Sorry, my computer's being slow. Then you repeat. Add source, website, URL, search, continue. See, now this is not correct because this was not written by William Shakespeare. So there is no author. Add source, and then your last one. I think we did that. So is this our last one? Oh, Romeo and Juliet. Oh, that was Shakespeare. Romeo and Juliet. So we need this one. Alright, add a source, website, search, continue. So like it couldn't find an author, and it does have authors. David Bevington is the first one. So David Bevington. And you should add the other two. So we'll add source. Did this one have authors? Yeah, that one's David Bevington as well. Terence Spencer. This is like changing as we go. All right, then you would do insert works cited. So this is what a works cited should look like. It's double space, left aligned, hanging indentation, alphabetical order, has author name, article title in quotes, the publisher in italics, the link, the date it was accessed, etc. So this you can just copy and paste here. That's works plural because you have multiple works that you're citing. Center, I'm going to make this text white so we can see it. And then my in-text citation was wrong. And since you have two Bevingtons, well, the one should be Bevington et al. This one. So this should be Bevington et al. And Bevington et al. So where did you cite that third source? We have Bevington et al. We have the article, and you need the third one. If that's here, you need to cite it. Like, either again, according to Bevington, according to the author Bevington, according to the writer, according to one researcher, or just in parentheses, either one. You don't necessarily need both. Alright, so this is correct now. So try to fix those two things so I can give you those points. Alright, good work, Landon. Really proud of your efforts. I hope you have a good rest of your day. See ya.